Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Box, and in this video I'm unboxing a crystal purchase I made from the Etsy shop Crystal Seraphica. I found this shop when I was browsing Etsy, so this is a direct to Etsy purchase. So this box has got some really cute washi tape of crystals on it, which is really cute. So I'm going to get this box open and I'll show you what it is inside. So first of all, it came with this little tag to say thank you. It says Crystal Seraphica. Thank you for your order, Helen. That's really cute. And then it also comes with a crystal sticker, which is awesome. And a little note to say all the cardboard paper packaging has been recycled and can be recycled or reused. Please recycle and or reuse the packaging. So what I got is this Kambaba Jasper bear. So this is my bear made from Kambaba Jasper, which gives these gorgeous patterns. He's got some really cute patterns around his eyes. And he's got a cute smile and big paws. And he's got really cool patterning around his other eye and his nose. And he's got cute ears. And a cute smile. And he's absolutely gorgeous. That this stone really works for animal carvings like this, because Kambaba Jasper has really gorgeous patterns on it and these gorgeous shades of green. So I'll put a link to the shop that I got this from in the description box. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Yay!